this expensive shipboards, okay? So you guys have to be careful and do all of my rules, because if you don't follow them, remember, this is an Airbnb, so it took us a long time. Your dad and sis are still probably like in their bed sleeping, but you can go out and play. Well, actually, it's kind of a little dark. But please be very careful around this house, because I don't want the owners getting mad and all that. So yeah, don't just miss the house. Okay, Mama. Where's my room, Mommy? Where's my room? I want to. Oh no. You got the house there. Okay, I'm gonna go show you where your room is. It's not gonna be as big. Come on, let's go. Let me just pick you up real quick. Wait, Mommy, can I go pick my room? Yeah, sure, you can go pick your room. You can go pick your room. Okay? Just be very careful. Okay. I'm just gonna sit down here. Very tired. Let's go pick our room. What is this room? This room? Oh, at least it's somewhat. I don't think it's a bedroom. What about the next room? What about that? This room. There's an upstairs. Oh, I don't think I can open the door to this room. That's the bathroom. Is this a room? Oh no, this is Mommy and Daddy's room. Where is my room? Ooh, it's here. Oh, I see we are sleeping in her bed. Let me go check out in my bed. Gotta be very quiet. She's sleeping. Oh, this bed is very nice. Oh, okay. I gotta hurry and go. She's sleeping. I don't want to wake her up. Mommy, can I go outside and play? Well, you gotta see if it's dark or light outside. Okay. Let's see. It's dark. Well, I guess you could go play outside, but be back quick. What could I do? Oof, I found the water. I need help. Oh no, I found the water. I just need Mommy, need help. Need help. Help. Oh no, that sound. What is that sound? Kayla, is that you? I didn't tell you to go to that part of the pool. Don't worry, Mama got you. Mama's got you. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna put you up there. Look, Mama, it's becoming daytime. Yeah, it's becoming daytime. You can, like, swim in the water, I guess. I'm getting very tired. Yeah, Mama, you've been saying you got very tired a lot. Yeah, a lot. I'm a go play. Oh, yeah, I am very tired, so I probably just need to get out. Oh, my gosh. Okay. I should probably go. Okay. Now let's just see. Maybe there's a chance. I'm so tired. Maybe just sailing on this boat is making me exhausted. Or maybe I could be pregnant. Nah, I think I'm just tired. Okay, I'm gonna get to bed. I don't know what else to do. I secretly spied on Mommy. Come back for part 2 to see what's up with Mommy. I think she's sick, but I'm not really sure, so I'm gonna go play. Let's go see what's over here. Oh, there's nothing over here. But last time I checked, I saw some watchers. So yeah. And Sissy's still sleeping. She's such a sleepy head. She's such a sleepy head. Mommy looks like she's going to bed. Whoa, it's very pretty. Whoa. Wow, this is very pretty. It is very pretty. Well, I should get back inside now. Let's go back inside. I'm getting tired. Maybe I could lay down like Mommy. Okay. Well, if I do any of those, I still need to rest. Just rest.